Here I have PANASONIC ELUGA A4 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off and let's open the following slot by using some kind of the special eject tool or paper pin. Let's press it right here and here you can remove the following tray. Here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So let me do it. Let's here insert the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. And here let's insert the micro SD card with the characteristic edge right here. Put this card right here and put the whole thing into your device. Let me just repair it. Alright. Let's press it to the end. And now let's switch on the device. Keep holding the power key. And now the Panasonic is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, so let's unlock the screen. And here let me check out if my cards are working properly. Tap apps icon, find here and select settings. Scroll down and here you need to find and choose here the SIM cards. As you can see, the one SIM card was found, so it's a good sign. Let's go back and here also let's find and select storage. So here you can use the SD card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.